So you started your YouTube channel. Great, congratulations. I am so proud of you. But then you realized after you posted your first video, it didn't do so great. Well, that's to be expected. The second one didn't do so hot either. Third, fourth, fifth, they all kind of failed. Well, at least in your eyes. Because in reality, you need those to fail. Because how else would you learn? How else would you move forward? How else would you know what you did needed to be changed? So in this video, we're talking about the number one reason why your channel won't get monetized. And I don't believe in wasting people's time. So I'm going to tell you what it is right now. The number one reason your channel won't get monetized is because of your mindset. You believe that you're not worthy. You believe that no one likes you. No one likes your voice. Who on earth will subscribe to you? You're afraid. And that's okay. Everybody's afraid. Heck, I was afraid. I had the same doubts that I'm telling you not to have in this video. I've had them. But the difference is, guys, is you got to believe in yourself. If you don't believe it here, it's not going to go here. And if it doesn't go here, people will see it through here. Let me give you an example. If you're watching channel A and channel A comes on and says, "Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to be going to Liberty Park today to ride some sick waves. I hope that you guys enjoy it and subscribe if you enjoy it." Or would you rather go, "Hey guys, welcome to Liberty Park. It's going to be we're going to ride super sick waves. We're going to jump over here. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. And at the end of it, you're going to have a blast." So stick around with me, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and let's have some fun together. Which one would you rather watch? Would you rather watch the first one or the second one? Now, it's the same people. Only difference is the second one, mindset. He believes in himself. He or she believes in themselves. What they believe in their mind, believe in their heart, and eventually will become their reality. That's the truth. What I want to teach you guys in today's video is how to change that mindset. How to start believing that you are everything that you know you can be. All that success that you guys want, it's all in here. But you got to believe it. I believe in you. My goal here on this channel is to get 1,000 people monetized. If I get more people monetized than 1,000, great. But that's my goal, and I'm going to reach it. And you want to know why? It's because I believe it in my mind. When I believe in my mind, I believe in my heart, and it will eventually become my reality. I know you guys can tell. I know you guys can be like, "Man, every time I hop on this video, I just feel pumped. I'm ready to go." I see it in the comments. You guys are writing it in the comments. So the way you actually change your mindset is through affirmations. And I know you guys have heard about affirmations. Everybody has heard about affirmations. It's basically where you go, "I'm the number one vlogger on YouTube. I'm the number one vlogger on YouTube. I'm the number one vlogger on YouTube." You need to say that every single morning and every single night. You got to believe it. You really have to exert that, because the more you say it, the more you put it in your mind subconsciously, it's going to go down here to your heart. Your heart's going to start believing it. Your heart's going to start believing it, and that's going to become your reality, because you're not going to settle for any less. You're not going to settle for just 10 views. You're not going to settle for 15 views. You're not going to settle for 1,000 views. You are going to continue and pump it and pump it and pump it, because every single time you're going to want to get better. Okay, I did 1,200 this video. I'm going to do 1,500 the next video. I'm going to do 10,000 the next video. I'm going to do 50,000 the next video. And if you don't hit it, so what? Get up and do it again. YouTube is a long game. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not something that you just wake up and just get great at. You have to fail. You have to go through the process. Another YouTuber, Mr. Organic, seed to root, tree to fruit. You start off as a seed. You grow the root grows a tree, and the tree grows the fruit. You can't skip the process, guys. You cannot skip the process. You got to go through it head on. Most people, when their videos fail, they give up. They say, "You know what? This is never going to happen. This is never going to be me. I watched this YouTuber and he has 0 subscribers, and then the next month he had 10,000. So what? Who cares? You can't be him. You can't be her. They are who they are. They figured it out. They changed their mindset, and so can you. Just because they did it, you can do it too. They're not special. Maybe they figured it out a little faster than you did, but so what? You have the same knowledge and things that they have. Do they have a better camera? Maybe. Do they have better equipment? Maybe. Do they have a better studio? Maybe. So what? There's people on YouTube right now that have terrible camera quality, terrible audio, and are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. All because of this. They believe. They don't care what other people think. They just get it done. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel and you want to get monetized within this year, do this. Whatever you want to do, whatever that is. If you want to be a full-time YouTube content creator, you're going to say, I am thankful and I'm grateful to have YouTube as a full-time job. I am thankful and I'm grateful to have YouTube as a full-time job. I am thankful, I am grateful to have YouTube as a full-time job. That's what you say every single day, every single night. And I guarantee you, when you turn on that camera or you turn on that game or you start talking into that mic, you're going to be like, you know what? I'm a full-time YouTuber. This is what I want to do. I'm pumped. Let's go. And you're going to see the difference. You're going to see, so you're going to have so much more energy, so much more passion, and everyone is going to see it. And then eventually your YouTube subscribers going to go up. Your watch time is going to go up because people are going to start to like you, because people want to be around successful people. And then they're going to start asking you, what did you do? How did you change it? How did you get this mindset? You are so underrated. You're going to get those messages. And don't get big-headed at that point. It's time to double down. It's time to get in the nitty-gritty. It's time to work. We're going to get it in, y'all. Till next time. Take care. God bless. Be safe. Peace.